Inwardly, I was empty. The most important was missing, and that was God. And really, by the grace of God, I am now feeling rich from inside. Anyway, satisfied, content. I have a purpose in life. My name is Christiane Bakker, and yes, I took a long journey. I used to be a presenter, interviewing rock stars, hosting music shows on MTV Europe. And by the grace of God, I became a Muslim a few years later and found myself in Mecca, alhamdulillah. So this is actually the title of my book. I've written about my journey from MTV to Mecca. It's my whole life in 4 words, which has been quite a long journey and I guess an unusual journey. I wanted to show people the beautiful Islam that I found. Just to say, it's so impressive how Saudi Arabia facilitates the pilgrimage for 2 million plus pilgrims. I just find it wonderful how many volunteers are helping, how it's cleaned all the time, Just all the Saudi Arabians, they also all get involved, and so many young people help. And people, just doing the tawaf, being with the people, some chant, some do another kind of chanting, and you're just being taken in the stream of people, every skin color, every age,